Hi, this is Stephen from SGV. Okay, so today I'm gonna cover the work order, right? The work order or the production work order, right? So first, there will be production lines, right? So where you actually the user actually do the production itself, right? So uh, the production will have to set up the production line, right? It depends on how many lines you have. Okay, then we have a bill of material, right? Bill of material. I have two here samples. One is to do the repackaging from the bulk vegetable. For this case is a carrot of 250 gram per packet or per pack, right? One pack is 250 gram. Okay. What is the component? The component is the carrot raw material, which is the bulk carrot, for example. So to produce one, you need 250. So this is the bill of material, right? This is one of the bill material. Okay. So next, there will be a work order to know the actual work, right, that you want to produce. You want just now is the like a recipe. What is the to produce 250 gram or one pack of a carrot? You need to have the component of carrot of the bulk carrot, right, for the 250 gram, right? So this is the actual work order, right? So we can filter the one that not close, right? So there we have two. Okay, let's cover this one first. So so this one is we need to we can produce how many carrot that you want, right? And the minimum is one, right? So you can produce, let's say you want to produce five pack of carrot, right? So you will calculate the component. So 250 times 5. So this is 250 for the bomb quantity, bill of material quantity. Then because you want to produce 5, then it times 5. So it become 1250 gram, right? So this is actually the work order, right? And then you assign which line that you want to produce this particular carrot of 250 or repackaging, right? From the bulk to the repackaging of the 250 gram. Okay, and then you put the schedule start date and then the schedule end date, right? And see, okay. So basically, you need to do allocation. So this is the work order, right? There's no allocation first. So the basically what you need to do is actually to do the allocation so that you make sure that the raw quantity, the raw material of the carrot or the bulk carrot is available in the inventory, right? So that's why you need to do the allocation. Okay, you can do multi allocation. You can click and then you can do allocation together here. Okay, or you can do one by one. It's up to you. You can have multiple 20 30 at one go to do the allocation. Then you can just do allocate here, right? And then just click. If you have many, you just click the all the check button to say that you want to allocate all lines, right? Then next you just take the gram because you allocating the gram for the raw material, right? Then you just immediate release once it's available, right? So you finish, so it's allocating, right? So you can see the now, so it create a picks, yeah, picks to pick up from the source location, right? And then a destination is to production stage 01. Okay, and how much the quantity that you should pick is 1250. Okay, so this is After that, when you refresh, it will create the work assignment and auto release, right? So that the user will be able to uh, get the picking task to actually do the picking for the carrot of the raw material for 1,250. So now there is a list pick for the to pick the work order, right? Okay, let's go to the mobile. It will be directed, right? So once you have the permission, you will get the job for the picking the work order, right? So this is the 2ID. Put next. Okay, position. Okay, then after that, it asks you for the to pick up the bulk carrot from this location, right? So let's see the inventory for this bulk carrot. Right, okay, so this is the carrot, the bulk carrot, right? So just of course the actual one you have to scan the basket, right? So you can scan the basket for the carrot, and then you enter this. You scan the product, okay, and you ask to pick up 1,250 gram, okay. So you have to weigh it, and then put the 1,250 of carrot, right? And you can have enter, okay, gram, okay, next week complete. Then it will ask, system will direct you to go to the whichever line staging, right? So line will have a staging, will have a station, right? So this is a line one that you produce in the work order. So it will ask you to pick to the staging 01, right? Because it's line one, okay. And there, and you scan the location of the staging. Okay, done. So if you go back to the work order, okay, you refresh. Okay, so the picking will be here. So it's already picked, and the location is now at the PSTG01. Okay, then the processing status changed. Okay, but not yet started. It changed to pending, from pending to undelivered. Okay, that means not yet produced. It's just that not yet picking is only go to the staging, right? The staging of the line one, you need to move it to the station of line one, right? So in this case, you only have one line, one station, but in other case, if you want to use a multiple station, then you can direct to a different station of the production, right? So now it's in this staging. Okay, so next thing that what you need to do is to do the start the work order. Okay, so you know that it's already picked, right? You can monitor from here, and after that once you want to start, you go to the production menu here, and then production, start the work order, right? Production menu, start the work order. Okay, you can enter the product code, or you can enter the line. Okay, production line. Okay, so it will give you, if your line have multiple work order, it will list down everything. But if your line only have one, it will list only those that is not started yet. Okay, so you can click that specific work order. This is the carrot 250, right? Then you can click this. Okay, successfully started. Okay, so once it's started, right, the next thing that the somebody have to move from the PSTG01 to the system will direct you can just say done. The system will direct to PS01, which is a production station 01. Okay, so it will ask you to direct this item or this basket, this LPN, right? Got 1250 gram, and go to the station 01. Okay, so you go to the station 01 and confirm. Okay, so means that it's already on the desk, right? So before it's just in the stage, then put it into the desk. So now it's from the stage to the desk of the work order. So now it's already in the desk. So you start, and then basically if you go back to the work order here, you refresh. Now status is ready for production, because it's already in the station of the production line 01. It's already station. That's why it's ready for production. So subsequently, you do the physical productions of, let's say you produce, right? You produce all the 5, right? Once you produce, right, basically you can go to the, after finished production, let's say you already produce 5, right? Then you can go to the production menu again. Okay, and then you can say that you want to production, and then you can say what is your line number. Okay, then it will give you, okay, this is the production line, production work order number, right? So you want to produce, so now they ask you to enter the LPN of your finished goods, right, which is already in the pack of 250 per pack, gram per pack, right? So this one you can paste the barcode, okay, and scan, and then after that you say how many you produce. They say you produce exactly 5, right? Okay, quantity, okay, done. So now it's already produced. It's just like a receipt, right? So if you can see here, you refresh. So now it's already produced, and it's exactly 100% already produced, and it's 5. Okay, the location is not yet clear, right? You still not yet. You just save that under the work order number. The subsequent one you can say just like a receiving. You can say done, and then you can say that undirected, and then you can enter the location. You can put to the specific location, right? You can ask the system to direct also, but you can put into the specific location, right? So okay, so once you put in the location, you can see the product is in this location, and this is the ID, and this is a five packets or 5 packs, right? 5 packs of 250 gram carrots. Okay, so now it's already in the production, right? So you can actually also request. So this is to cover later, right? So in this case, is processing is completed. So the next thing you have to do is to close it, right? Because this you can say that if there is a scrap quantity, but you exactly put it the correct one, right? You produce this one 250 for 5 pieces, become 1250. Okay, so there's no scrap, and then you just close it and successfully close. So that's it for the work order. Okay.